Hello my wonderful viewers and welcome back to another vlog. In this vlog, I'm traveling again to Zanzibar, but this time it's not gonna be Azam Marine. It's going to be ZAN Fast Ferries. They have to say it is faster and it takes around an hour and 15 minutes. So we should make sure that it does take 1 hour and 15 minutes. So let's see. Let's get there. So the place where we live is just close by the harbor. Well, this time I'm correcting myself because last time instead of harbor I used boat station, so this one I don't want any narrations in the video below. So we are on our way, and of course the string towers and the hotel, I've mentioned them in my previous videos, so you guys must be knowing them by now. This is the office where you get your tickets from. So we are here and it's as usual crowded. We just came out from the office meeting the manager who has done something special for us, which I'm not gonna disclose it right now. You guys will come to know ahead of the video. So we are at the port at the moment and we're getting inside, and I'll show you what's inside, but let's just get there first. So they've already checked in and we're here inside now. Let's see how it goes. So on the left is Azam Marine passenger waiting area, and on the right is ZAN Fast Ferries. So just like Azam Marine, ZAN Fast Ferries is also having a different lounge for Gold and VIP passengers. So this is the waiting area, as you guys can see. There's so many people, so I don't find it really necessary to take everyone's video because some people they don't prefer and they don't like it, so you can only see me in this video in the background, that's it. On the other hand side is the sea itself, so since I'm sitting here you won't be able to see it. Let's get inside and then we'll be able to do it more good way. So this is my boarding pass. It has my name on it. It's a silver class boarding pass which cost me around 25,000, and a barcode in case if I lose my ticket. So it's time now, we're getting in. The last time I explored Azam Marine's Kilimanjaro 7 Royal Class. If you guys haven't watched the video, the link will appear on top of the video. And this time it's ZAN Fast Ferries. We are supposed to wash our hands and get our temperature checked before we get inside. Alright, so now we're getting there. Let me show you around. So this side of the harbor is dedicated to ZAN Fast Ferries boats, and the other side is for Azam Marine. It just offloaded passengers who came from Zanzibar, and now it's fully prepared to take us to Zanzibar. I love the color. The one thing I love coming at the harbor is the view. The way the towers are aligned together, it's just beautiful. This is the queue to get inside the boat. This is where the tickets are being checked. There is a barcode on the ticket which is scanned using the barcode reader that confirms that a passenger has boarded. And here comes the disclosure of the special thing the manager has done it for us, and that is an upgrade to gold class. So here we're just confirming how many passengers we are who are upgraded to gold class, and I'm just explaining them here. So instead of exploring silver class, here I'll be exploring gold class. Let the journey begin. Welcome to Gold Class section of ZAN Fast Ferries. ZAN Fast Ferries is divided into 4 sections: Silver, Gold, Platinums and VIP. And here we're exploring is Gold. The seat configuration is 343. The seats are aligned amazingly good and there is enough legroom space between the seats. And wide windows for a perfect view. So let me tell you guys, we are upgraded to gold class. So this is such an amazing hospitality by the management team. They have actually given us this opportunity to sit in gold class and explore it. So for that, I think thumbs up. So it's like 3-5-3 seat configuration, something like that, and it's spacious well. And they have life jackets, and of course they also have a space whereby you can actually store your luggage, so you don't have to keep all this here. So separate storing luggage. It's a great thing. It hasn't started yet. Now let's see how it goes. 1 hour 15 minutes. We have to know that. Alright, so let me quickly show you the seat features. First of all, let's have the trays. You see this? Here's where the tray is. You actually open this like this and you remove it. You see? And here you're done. You see? This is the tray. And then you just have to close the back.
Look at where.
And the seat itself. See, this is how it goes down. And guys, let me show you who I am with. I am with Nairobi's one of the finest vloggers, Ahil the Explorer. Here he is.
Hi guys.
He's exploring too, and he'll be uploading his videos too, so make sure you subscribe to his channel. I'll be giving out his link in the description below, so don't forget to subscribe to his channel and show some love. Let's take a short tour of the gold class cabin. The interior is beautifully designed. They have this green, grey, white and red color. Mood lights, LED lights. There are 3 large LED screens. Smoking is prohibited and therefore there are smoke detectors everywhere. Camera for monitoring. Small kitchen for service. We'll get there. This boat is fully air conditioned. You can go out and experience the natural breeze from the ocean from this door. Life jackets stored here in case of emergency. Toilet. We'll get inside and see how it really looks, but before, let's complete exploring the cabin. The door on my left is for VIP passengers, and in front is for platinum passengers, and here you can store your luggage. So this is the kitchen. They serve coffee, tea, everything on board if you are a gold, platinum or VIP passenger, and some snacks as well. They have a microwave, an oven, a sink for serving hot meal on board. They have a separate kitchen for silver class passengers whereby the passengers need to buy the meal. Alright, now we are in the washroom and I'm gonna show you how their toilet is. So here is light, mirror light as well. So this is the mirror light. This is the mirror itself. They have this soap dispenser and of course the basin. It's automatic again, just like Adam. They have dishes here as well. And then they have a dustbin where they dispense the dishes. And this is just the what? This is just the place where you can see yourself. Now let's check out the toilet itself. Alright, so they have a toilet. So they have a toilet as well. And again, you have everything here, just like that. It's inside this. It's closed. So they have a toilet. They have like a separate type, just the if you want, you just want to wash your hands or all. And they have a toilet separate as well. This is the toilet, and this is the shower. Let's see if it works. So it does work. So this is the toilet of this ZAN Fast Ferries. I hope we'll be having a good experience because so far I haven't seen anything bad, and of course complimentary seat. That's more than enough. Right? So the first one is that it's not on time, it's late. Let's see how much late it gets because the departure is at 5. It's like 17 if you count 24 hours. So it's already 17:12. Still late. Let's see how much late they get. So it started going and it took around 18 minutes to get started. So it's 18 minutes late. Let's experience the beautiful natural breeze from the ocean as we are going out from here. The door, we're currently opening the door and it's kind of giving me a tough time to get opened, but it finally will get open. So let's just get out and see the situation. So it finally got opened. So this area is for every cabin, whether you're in silver, gold, platinum or VIP. There are some people who experience seasickness, so it kind of helps them, and there are seats as well. Let's check out the outer view. This thing is faster than my imagination. You need to be stable in order to stand still. So we decided to relax and enjoy the beautiful experience as we wait for the meals to get served. This is not the meal which was supposed to be served on board. This is what we are buying, as we were told we are only upgraded and no other service will be provided. So this is the second cone of ZAN Fast Ferries. So here we bought ourselves some snacks and tea, of course, as it's a must. The only thing I'm disappointed is if you're upgrading someone, you should provide equal privilege. We're almost reaching to our destination, Zanzibar. I'm not being ungrateful. I really appreciate by the upgrade, but there are certain things one should keep in mind. If you're upgrading someone, you should make sure you provide them with equal privilege. And a snack and a drink, I don't think so it can cost more. and I don't think so people really go crazy for that, but it's just a courtesy to make the passenger feel comfortable. By doing this, you're actually realizing the passenger that he or she was upgraded for free. That's embarrassing. So we're about to reach, and as per the announcement, they said it's going to be like 18:35, and this is what the time is. So first class mine is always there. It's not like accurate time. Please visit our office outside the port. We thank you for choosing ZAN Fast Ferries. We hope that you will enjoy. And as we reach, we need to be fresh, of course. So let's have a piece of gum.
Guys, it's gum. It's so nice. It's nice.
Here we are here in Zanzibar. So we are now coming out from the boat since we've already reached. This, the black section is for VIP class, I think, something like that. Let's see. And for my overall conclusion, I will rate this out of 10 a 7. First thing is, for the time of departure and arrival is completely wrong. Of course, plus minus are there, so it's not a big thing. The second thing is, of course, the upgrade. If you're upgrading someone, make sure you provide them with equal privilege. So ZAN Fast Ferries, if you're watching this video, please, not in a bad way, but you should definitely think, if you're upgrading someone, provide them with equal privilege. This will make the passenger feel comfortable, and he'll definitely, or she will, recommend to others and make them think of using the same thing the next time they come or go to Zanzibar. So this was my overall experience with ZAN Fast Ferries. I hope you guys enjoyed as much as I did recording this video, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't, so give this video a big thumbs up, turn on your notifications so that you don't miss any of my uploads. Also note, I'll be having new video uploaded twice a week on every Wednesdays and Saturdays, so don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you get notified whenever a video is uploaded. This is Zanzibar Port. It's located in the heart of Zanzibar, Forodhani, close to many attractions and hotels. I also reviewed various hotels during my stay in Zanzibar. The links will appear on top, and I'll be having them in the description below. So if you haven't watched that video, click on the link. This might help you when you plan your trip to Zanzibar. For your reference, I have been using GoPro Hero 9 while recording the entire video. I also have an unboxing video for that. The link is in the description or will appear on top of the video. So if you haven't watched, make sure to watch that video. So we've reached and it's already night. It's around 7 p.m. 19, and we are coming out from the port.
Zealand dan juga makanan. Yellow kami say yellow. Abi dete. Yellow jangan barangnya. Dia mana ni jangan.
Kerja sedih mau nyantuk, mau jangan baru nyantuk.
Indo.
GSM खाने आ रहा है थे।
Yo mesti tenang, yo nak video padan.